Human. Kind. Two words that everyone in life sciences has in common.
The people.
The people.
People globally.
Patients.
My loved ones.
My co-workers.
Your peers.
The clients.
Millions of people across the country and world.
Simply put, we all care about others.
Right. It's so much about the people.
That's why we're all here. To learn how we can work together to help more people sooner. To find out how artificial intelligence can help you do more with your authentic intelligence.
Helping my colleagues work smarter, easier, skip a few steps that weren't necessary.
To break down data and turn it into real-life breakthroughs. Because the most important innovations are the kinds that are made for those who matter most.
The human beings.
My daughters.
My mama.
Patients.
The people I work with.
Friends and family and coworkers alike.
Humanity.
Welcome to Masters Conference 2026.